why I failed the JEE, and there are mainly three reasons. Because of it, I got only 65% in the JEE Gen attempt. There are many reasons, but this is the main three reasons. And if you are in 11th or early, or maybe in 12th, you can avoid this and you will get better result at JEE. So let's start the video. First of all, my name is Vaibhav and I have prepared JEE for past 2 years, and the coaching which I studied known as Ellen, pretty famous coaching, and I am not gone quota, but I have in my city there were Ellen, so I have joined the Ellen coaching, and I not regularly basis of I going to coaching, but 1.5 years you can say I have go to the coaching. And what about that 6 months? That 6 months I go to another coaching, and I skip that coaching because of I didn't understand the concept the teacher are teaching, and majorly I faced problem in maths in early, and when I joined Ellen, my maths suddenly improved. So let's start the another reasons that I have why failed JEE. Mainly three reasons. Consistency over intensity. What I mean that consistency is very important in your JEE prep because of the concepts are very complex and they need the continuity in the time. If you are cutting the continuity between the days or weeks, the when you learn that concept, you forget that after some time, or if a lack of practice, it get worse. Going to coaching regularly, it's very basic, because if you didn't know what sir teaches, or what is the concept or what they teach, how can you learn and how can you practice that? So this is also important, which is regularly go to the coaching. It doesn't matter if you are weak at that subject or you have backlogs in that subject in earlier, or if you are studying calculus, and if the integration is over and differential equation starts, and if you skip because of you were not able to recognize and learn differential equation because of integration, it's not that's it. If you are class tomorrow and you know there is a differential equation class and you have didn't study integration, so what you can do, you can revise the differential equation, what the role of integration in differential equation. Likewise, you can cover whole syllabus. That's why regularly going to coaching is very important. Third, focus on competence rather than marks oriented study. It's very common in every aspirant that majorly focus on marks, that how can I get 50 marks more, how can I get 60 marks, sir teaches. So students, these are the topics and these are the weightage and you have to study, and you are thinking first high weightage chapter I have to do this, then that not gonna work. What you can do is whenever you are studying the JEE, what you have to do, study on competence. What I mean by competence, that competence has the power which you can learn anything by doing or practice. What if I give an example? If you are studying calculus and you have go through all the chapters and all the things, and sir told you have tomorrow paper on the calculus, what you can do, first of all differentiate all the chapters, and through which you can rigorously focus on one topic, then other topic, and how can these topics connect to each other. Likewise, you can study whole the calculus, and rather than focus on what is important, like hospital rule or queen and king's rule in the integration are important, and one or two questions are fixed in the JEE. But what you can do, you can connect the all the concepts that are gonna ask in the test. That's how you can improve marks in the JEE. And these are the major three things. If you are going to take this, you can definitely increase your marks. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.